Hi, my name is Debbie, and I'm a patient of Dr. Salter's, and I have completed 3 treatments of the FemTouch, and I'm so excited about the difference that it has made in not only my life, but my life with my husband, my spouse, and we've been married for 44 years. And about 3 years ago, I started noticing problems with incontinence when I would go to the gym exercising, or when we would go ride bikes. We have 7 grandkids and we ride bikes constantly with the kids. And just the uncomfortableness of the urgency of the feeling of having to go to the bathroom all the time and having to wear a pad. It got to the point where it was really uncomfortable riding our bicycles with a pad. In fact, we sold our bicycles about 2 years ago because I just quit riding. Because of the change that the FemTouch has made, we recently purchased bicycles again, and we are headed to Wyoming next month. I could get teary to ride bicycles. The intimacy between us had really started being affected because of the dryness. I know I'm hormonal, it's that time of life, and you get that from your mom and the other females in your family, that this is just natural. It's something that everybody has to deal with. You don't have to deal with that. There are so many things out there that Dr. Salter can talk to you about to help with this problem. And he gave me several options. I opted for the FemTouch, and I am so glad I did. I'm back in the gym 4 days a week. My husband and I are bicycling. I no longer have to use alternate lubrication when we want to be intimate. I no longer have to plan on that. We can go back to being spontaneous like we were many years ago. And it's just been really a blessing, not only to me personally and my health, because like I said, I'm back exercising again. I'm back on the treadmill, which I had completely had to stop. Just because of the incontinence. I'm back being spontaneous with my spouse. I can honestly say that since I completed the 3rd treatment, it's amazing the difference it has made in my life. I could tell a difference after the 1st treatment. My husband could tell a difference after the 2nd treatment. After the third treatment, it's just been amazing. I can't say enough about it. I wish all of the women in my life could know about this. I don't know what else to say. I tell everybody about it, even if they don't want to hear about vaginal rejuvenation. Any woman that I see that is having the same type of issues that my husband and I were having, or that I was having at the gym. I run into women all the time in the dressing room at the gym, and you can tell if they have pads on. And a lot of times I'll say, let me tell you about this. And anyway, it's just been, I can't say enough about it. So, thank you.
Wonderful.
It was not painful at all. There is a topical numbing gel that Dr. Salter uses on the external portion, and you sit for a few minutes and let that take effect, and then it is not any more uncomfortable than just a routine pap smear. That's exactly what it felt like, is just a pap smear. The difference to the external has been just as dramatic as the internal changes, with the way that I look in my yoga pants and in the bicycle shorts. That too, it has been a huge change. I was recommended to Dr. Salter by a family member, and her words were, he spends so much time with his patients, and he is so gentle, and that's something that you want in an OB-GYN. You want to be able to sit down and talk and express all of your concerns and ask all of your questions. He has never made me feel like I was rushing him or that he had to rush off to do anything else. He is so focused when you are with him as a patient.